Hello students, welcome to social science class. Now we shall start a lesson residence. Students, what is residence? Many families in villages or towns are living in houses constructed side by side in a locality is called residence and also called home. Students, what is the difference between residence and home? When used as nouns, home means one's own dwelling place, whereas residence means the place where one lives. Now, what is the meaning of home? The place where one lives permanently, especially as a member of a family or household. Now students, home is the first school and mother is a first teacher. Home is a familiar term for us. Now see here different types of houses. You know the different types of houses? They are apartment, bungalow, cabin, castle, and cave house. These are different types of houses. I think so everybody have seen it. Different types of houses. Now students, why are houses made of different types? Houses are usually built from types of material that can easily be made or brought near the place where house is built. Where did early man live? Early man lived in caves or bushes. Students, you know early men protect themselves from sunlight, rain, wind, and wild animals by living in caves. Now, how did early man live in bushes and caves? The idea that early humans spent most of their time among the trees has been boosted by evidence from cave site in South Africa. Students, everybody has house to live and there are rooms like kitchen, bedroom, dining hall, study room, and guest room. Home is a place where family lives. Home is where you feel safe because no one is stranger in your home. In home, there will be a family life like sweet family and happy family. Even you have to decorate your home. You have to decorate your home. You have to do enjoyment in your home. You have to do functions, birthday parties, and pujas at home. And even you have to keep your house clean. And there will be unity also in your home. There should be a unity with your family and share everything with your family members in your house. Students, what are the materials required to build a house, you know? Materials required to build a house is wood, plastic, glass, metal, cement, and brick. Can you build a house in 1 month or a few days? No, we cannot. We have to make a plan and then build it. Construction of residence starts from independent houses and got transformed to community houses. Now observe the lanes of your village or towns. These are the areas of common residence. Generally, families lead their life by constructing their own personal houses. The common features found in residence are, you know the common features found in residence? Houses built here and there or houses in a lane. Lanes are mostly zigzag. Street lights are there in residential areas. And roads are very safety. I think so you have understood what is residence. People live in various types of houses such as hut, house with tiled roof and houses with concert terrace. Many families in villages or towns are living in houses constructed side by side in a locality. These are called residence. Everyone is interested to build their own houses. They want a beautiful garden in front of their houses. Everyone wants all facilities near their own houses like garden, park, office, hospital, school, colleges, temple, etc. Everybody wants all facilities near their own houses.